I don't know why this video keeps ending like yeah. So right here. Yeah, we've got it out. We've got it out. And oh, I can't really read what that says. I can't read what that says. And this is it. The Hoover. This is my dream toy washing machine finally here. The Hoover Electron 1100 Deluxe. There's a detergent drawer you've got. It's very small. Try and open the door. There we go. Open the door here. Yep, so here's the there's like a little tube there. Yeah, and I think something's got stuck there. Or there's like a bag in it. Something, not sure what. So yeah, here is a Hoover Electron 1100 Deluxe. I don't know what the model number is, but I think it's based off the A3110 Electron 1100. It's an energy control series. And these are the options. You've got quick wash, low temp, and half load. All your programs are here: pre-wash, white seal, whites economy, fast colours, non-fast colours, woolens, special treatment, spin dry 1100, white nylon. Let's let it focus for a bit. Special treatments, spin dry 1100, white nylon, minimum iron, delicates, special treatments, and spin dry 500. And these are all the programs there. There's I think this is when you like turn it on and all that. I think that's the on and off button there. I think there's a look at the inside there. Yeah, we're gonna look at the back. So yeah, I'm not quite sure what this is, and this is like a little tube. I think this is probably where I think that's maybe, I don't know. I'm not sure yet, but so yeah. So this, we're gonna have a look. Hoover Electron 1100. I'm so glad I got this. It's a shame Teopass. It's a shame you couldn't have it, but I wanted this. This is my dream toy washing machine, and I was looking for one of these for ages, and just don't know why I got a little bleed there. I didn't feel it. Anyway, but you'll find Teopass. You'll find another one of these. You'll definitely find another one of these eventually. Yeah, and you'll have fun with it, and I'll have fun with my one. Anyway, here is my toy wash machine on top of my Hoover Computer Logic dryer. So yeah, What a beauty. What an absolute beauty. Oh yeah, and you got this little thing here that can turn the drum, but I'm not sure what you use to like actually use it with. I'm not sure. So yeah, this is the. And this little thing here is what we use to open the door. Yeah, and the door goes, and the door now pops open. Detergent drawer here, which has the water, which you can pour water into. Yeah, so these that the max water level is here. So these came out in about 1985, I think. Let's close it. Let's close the door for a bit. There we go. So these came out in about 1985, something like that, is what someone told me. So still, this is a good vintage toy washing machine that I'm proud to own. Yeah, and I do hope one day I can get the actual washer of this. But I'm pretty sure this is based off the A3110. Nah, I don't know what it's based off, because I don't think the A3110 is a energy control one. So yeah, I'm gonna. So yeah, this was the unboxing video of my Hoover Electron toy washing machine. Yeah, my Hoover Electron Energy Control Series toy washing machine. I will do a few videos of this soon once I figure out how to work it, which shouldn't take too long. So yeah, alright, I'll just tidy up a bit. So anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy it, then leave a like. And if you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you will never miss out on any of my latest content and uploads. Alright, I shall see you guys another time. Goodbye, and take care, and remember to stay safe from COVID-19.